Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the Galaxy S25 series. This is the S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. But these are the dummy units. I just want to kind of give you a quick look at what the new phones are going to be looking like. And I got sent the dummy units right now, and I will get the Galaxy S25 Ultra very soon. So make sure you subscribe to this channel right here so you don't miss one exciting episode. So right now, if you want to take a look, get an idea of what the Galaxy S25 series looks like, here is the first model. This is just the S25, and you got the camera here and the little push buttons on the side. Nothing on this side here. Here's a port. And over here. And then here's the Galaxy S25 Plus. Got your port down here. Some little buttons. They sure made this model thinner, I think. I think it's a lot thinner here. And then here is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's the one I will be getting. I'm actually filming right now with the Galaxy 24 Ultra. And you can see on these dummy units, that, just this part here kind of scratches easy, but get an idea here. So they sent me, the company sent me these dummy units so that I can kind of review some different cases. And I just wanted to show you some of the size comparisons right here. I'll try to get this leveled out right here. And you can see how bigger the Ultra is. And I don't know, I've always just ordered the Ultra. I just like it. I just like a bigger phone, but if you like a smaller one, this is a very nice one here. This one comes with more camera lens. But it's all your preference, what you guys like. Put down I would love to know what in the comments, which one do you usually like getting? Do you like getting the Ultra or the S or the Plus, or just the regular model? So like I said, I'm going to be reviewing lots of different phone cases, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. For example, one of my favorite that I'm going to be reviewing is the Armorbox from Iblason. This is one tough case, and what I usually do is I'll take this built-in screensaver right here off, and then I will attach a Whitestone dome glass protector, which is one of the best protectors out there. And combination with this case, that's what I'm filming with right now. I'm using the S24 Ultra with the Whitestone dome glass protector on it. And with that screen protector, with this case right here, boom. I mean, you can't find a better combination. Also, what I like about the Iblason right here is you have this little door right here. It protects your camera lens. And you can close that. It's not going to flap open, and you can use that actually as a kickstand, so it's really nice. And I like that non-slip grip around here, and your little port here closes there, and it's very easy to get that pen tool. So if you're looking for a phone case for your Galaxy S25 or S24 or whatever brand, go for the Armorbox. Oh yeah, yeah. So here on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this is where the pin tool is going to be, and you can see it's going to fit right in there. So check out my other videos. I actually have one where I'm putting this into this case so you get a better idea of that. And this one does not have that. So let's put these all together right there. And I'm going to show you, let's take the smaller one, show like just how thin it is compared. It's almost, I would have to say it's just very close, maybe just a smidget. That's a new measurement, a smidget bigger. The Ultra might be a little smidget bigger. You can see that. I wonder if those start to adopt that as a unit of measure, smidgets instead of centimeters and millimeters. So yeah, which one are you hoping to get? If you had a choice, would you get the S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. And like always, have a great day. Adios. Goodbye.